We are doing video repair number 1 at house 4738 Palm Breeze Lane, Charlotte, North Carolina, 28208. We're gonna replace this shingle, and this is the front of the house. Start. Look. We have removed the shingle, and let's go ahead and get the shingle over there. There you go. It's probably new. Estate gray. Where's the gray? Los lados arriba. Okay, good. As we can see, the shingles that were above, the shingle that was replaced, now are broken. They have no grit. They're too brittle. This repair is inadequate. It does not work. Repairing this house will be a waste of time and money and improper work. Please approve the full replacement on this property or the shingles. Thank you.